Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about how to create broken view for C channel, and here I am going to show you how to create this channel as well as the drawing and broken section view and a few tips for beginners. So this is the channel I am going to create. So this is the drawing of this channel. Here I am going to show you how to create the drawing of the C channel, as well as I am going to show you different options of broken view. So let's start now. I have taken the new SolidWorks part file. Select the right plane. Select the sketch. Here take a midpoint line so that we can make a symmetric line from the origin. So it's 88.9. Select two lines, make it equal, and we can confirm horizontal also. Select these two lines, make it equal. So this is 1 inch. So 25.4 mm. So the height of this line is 11.2. So I have taken as per standard dimensions. Now we have to go to sheet metal, select the base flange. Here instead of blind we can say take mid plane, and total length is 300 mm. So we can take any length as per requirement, and the thickness is 3.5 and the inner radius also is 3.5, and K factor I have taken 0.45. It should be always less than 0.5. So now we have to keep in right side view and we have to see whether it is forming inside or not. Since we are considering the outside dimensions, the sheet metal has to form inside, so we have to confirm. See here, if I flip this direction, it is forming outside. So here outside dimensions are mandatory, so we have to create inside. That is very much important while creating this kind of channels. Now I am going to create drawing of this component. select this component, place it here and keep it in front view. See, the scale is important here, taken 1:2. Now I am going to place left side view. See, for views, these lines are not required. So either we can select these lines individually and we can hide. So it consumes more time. So simply what we have to do is, I'm going to show here, right click, go to tangent edges, here remove tangent edges, simply it removes all the edges. So this is the easy method. And here every line is a solid one, it's difficult to identify as a C channel. So what we have to do is, right click, tangent edges, we have to select tangent edges with font. This is the best practice. Now I am going to break this view. Select this, and simply place 2 lines and say OK. Suppose you don't want to show more distance in between these 2 zigzag lines. So click, see, we have to move near to this broken section. See, the symbol is highlighting. Then we have to click on this line. Then left side we can see this window, broken view. So we can adjust this value. For example, I am going to give 8 mm. So you can't see the much difference. I am going to give 5 mm. See. So we can maintain this gap as per requirement. Here we can show as a straight line. So usually we can show these for tubes. We can show as a curve. So we can see here, and a zigzag cut, and here small zigzag cut we can show as a small zigzag. So most preferably we use zigzag cut. See, it is easily visible. So for C section we have to show this option. Keep it in solid. Since it is an isometric, we can reduce the value. So we can show the dimensions. See here, even if we show this broken view, it shows the exact value. So it is 300 mm. So we have to mention the outside dimensions. See here, we can see all the dimensions are shown up to 2 decimals. So mostly for mm we have to show 1 decimal value. So we have to select the document properties, dimensions, Here we have to say up to 1 decimal. See here, all dimensions are changed up to dimension. So this is brief about how to create C channel and broken view of the C channel in drawing. Thanks for watching.